Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siti binti Abdul Rahman. In today's video, me and Nur Anis Ayuni Zaidi will be discussing about the manufacturing process of controllable pitch propeller aircraft. For starters, more about propeller. Propeller is a rotating airfoil that consists of two or more blades, which attach to a central hub which is mounted on an engine. The function of the propeller is to convert engine power into useful thrust so the aircraft can move through the air. Propeller can be classified according to their mounted position on the aircraft. On the other hand, propeller also can be classified according to the type of propeller. Now, let's continue with the explanation about propeller's material and machines used, explained by Anis.
Thank you, Sarah. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Mat.Fab. I will explain briefly about the material, machines, tools, and equipment used in manufacturing Hazard propeller. The material used in manufacturing Hazard blade is aluminium. Hazard blade began manufacturing aluminium blade propellers since 1948. Nowadays, aluminium propellers are often changed through the use of advanced aluminium alloy. For instance, the use of the copper, zinc, and mixed with aluminium will alter its properties so that it may be both harder and softer through the application of heat. Aluminium alloy may contain copper, manganese, magnesium, silicon, and chromium to increase the strength and durability. For propeller hubs, there are two propeller hubs that Hazard produce, which are aluminium hubs and steel hubs. Steel hub is usually used engine application. In this video, we will focus more on the process of manufacturing propeller blades made of forged aluminium alloy and the manufacturing process of aluminium propeller hubs. Various machines, tools, and equipment are used to manufacture propeller. For example, computer numerical control or CNC milling machines and CNC lathe machine are used to manufacture Hazard propeller. Then grading, sander, and polishing wheels are also used to improve propeller finishing. Now let's go to the manufacturing process of propeller, which will be explained by Sarah.
Thank you, Anis. Now, let's start the manufacturing process of controllable pitch propeller. The forged aluminium hub is milling accordingly into the design shape by the milling machine. After 40 minutes, the hub is ready to be assembled to the engine later. Next, the roughly forged propeller's blade will be inserted into the lathe machine, so the lathe machine can machine it into its final shape. The lathe will form the propeller blade's shank first, then the milling machine will gradually milling from blade shank towards to the blade tip. Liquid lubricants washes away the metal shavings and cool the friction generated by the heat. For propeller's blade finishing, a rotary sander and brake sander will remove any machining process that left behind. Then the blade is buffed by using the polishing wheel. The finishing step is usually done automatically first, then will be done manually by a highly experienced worker. After that, the blades are dipped into a strong detergent. The acidic solution will remove any dirt and grease on the blade. Then the blades will be put into a bath of water and chromic acid. This procedure will seal the pores in the metal to fend any corrosion. The critical parts are dipped into the fluorescent solution. The fluorescent solution is used to reveal any available imperfections. After rinsing, the parts are inspected under black light. A blue glow means the parts do not have any surface defects. Meanwhile, a bright fluorescent green will be shown on the defected surface. The defected parts are either repaired or rejected from the production line. Next, the blades with no surface defects and pass the factory check will be sent to the paint shop. A coat of black color on the blade back will prevent the sun reflecting into the pilot's eyes. For safety reasons, stripes are added at the blade tip to make the spinning blade visible. Next, the de-icing boot is installed on the propeller's leading edge. Then, come to the assembly process. A part of the blade shank is lubricated with grease. A strong steel ball bearing system is installed. The shanks of the blade are installed by using a steel pipe called the fork. After that, the top of the hub is installed. A rubber seal is added and a sturdy spring is installed. The piston and the pitch change rod are attached to each other, so they can be threaded into the fork. A special tool is used to tightly torque the cylinder against the hub. Finally, the assembly is complete. The simplified version of propeller's manufacturing process can be viewed on this flowchart. Let's review the latest technology related to the propeller. Back to you, Anis.
Now, I will will explain more about the latest technology implemented in propeller manufacturing together with their advantages and disadvantages. The latest technology implemented in propeller manufacturing is CNC machining. CNC machining processes the propeller blade to meet specification by following a coding program instruction without a manual operator direct control to the machining operation. The complete process of CNC machining depends on computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM). The advantages of applying CNC machining in manufacturing process is increased productivity as the time taken to perform a job is very much lesser than using conventional tools. Other than that, the uniformity and accuracy of the design will be very high because the CNC machine has already programmed accordingly. Hence, human error could be reduced and less rejected propeller. On the other hand, the advantages of the CNC machine is the operator must be highly trained because the operator must have a deeper understanding in CAD, CAM, and have experience in handling CNC machine. The cost of CNC machines are more higher than conventional tools. Other than that, propeller blade made of composite is also one of the latest inventions. According to the Halder Propeller official website, the structure part of Halder composite propeller blade is constructed using a combination of aerospace-grade carbon fiber and Kevlar material for optimal strength and performance. The top advantages of composite propeller are lightweight, saving than aluminium. Composite propeller are also more durable and longer service life because, unlike aluminium propeller, repair and return to service without adversely affecting the FY shapes. In fact, hardened composite blades are for unlimited life, helping aircraft owner and operator to save money and reduce flight downtime. Furthermore, composites are well known to corrosion and other solving. The disadvantages of using the composite propeller including composite are more brittle than rock metal, neutral composite, and glass fiber reinforced plastic. Although additive manufacturing for aircraft propeller are not commercialized, additive manufacturing starts to be implemented in propeller for unmanned aerial vehicles or known as UAV.
That's all from us. The reference list can be viewed at the end of this video. Thank you and have a nice day. See you again next time.